Hello YouTube, Stretch under 75 here. I'm going to do 2 blaster boxes, and then on the next video I'm going to do the mega box. So let's just get into it. Let's start ripping. Dual blaster box break, I think number 4 or 5. Still hunting for more Zions. I got the Zion Silver last night on the last pack of the Cello box. The very last card, the very last pack. It was epic. It was epic, and it was in beautiful shape, the card. A silver of all. I would have been happy with just a regular Zion. I still don't have a regular Zion. I got silvers only. Maybe we'll get a regular Zion in here. Asking you shall receive, maybe. So we got Dennis Schroeder, Jabari Parker, and Silver Scrub, veteran. And Anthony Hardaway, so that pack stunk. I've had a few blaster boxes that were horrible, and a few that were pretty damn good, so I'm on the fence with the blasters. I think this will be the last 2 I open. Ooh, LeBron. Too bad it wasn't the silver. Jalen Powell, Emergent Jordan Poole. And Kemba to go with the Celtics. So just took that whole pack, not bad. Julius Randle, Caldwell Pope, Romeo Langford, Instant Impact, and Don Maker. Don Maker. That's a thick pack. That's our that's our Zion Game 1 jersey. Fred VanVleet, Brandon Clark rookie, Danny Green, I Don't Want You, Prizm, and him. Joel Embiid, Isaiah Thomas, hyped LeBron James, and Magic Johnson. I don't even know if I have a base Magic yet. Oh, there it is. It's not Zion. Aaron Gordon. John Henson. And Jason Tatum. Alright, so that was that blaster box. That blaster box kind of absolutely sucked. So, no major silver rookies. No Zions. Not a fan of that blaster box. Actually, these blaster boxes in general are not impressing me. The Megas and the Cellos have been pretty good. The Cellos being the best, for the retail at least. Got Larry to go with Magic, Ben Simmons, John Henson, Emergent Ty Jerome, and then Larry Bird to go with Magic Johnson. Derek White in his 5 had. Ja Morant. Oh, that would have been so sweet if that was the purple or silver. But of course, no, it wasn't. Purple's just this guy. So aggravating. Jordan Bell. Nice. It's someone I don't know, but it's a silver rookie. I'll take it. The thing is, with these blast box, every time it's a silver rookie, it's a scrub silver rookie. It's never a major silver rookie, but I'm being real whiny. Guess I'm cranky and tired. That's on them, Tad. Kareem to go alongside Magic and Larry Legend. Chris Paul. Oh, there we go. Zion Williamson. It's impact. Too bad it wasn't silver. That would have been even nicer. Kareem just jumping down with Larry and Magic. Dominance of Andre Drummond. On to the mem card pack. Come on, be Zion. I don't even know if you can get Zion. Sure you can. Tim Hardaway Jr., Brook Lopez, Evan Turner. It's always some person I don't know. Scrub, to me at least. And then some shitty green. Last box was John Henson. This one's CJ McCollum. Not even a rookie. Terrible. Terrible, as Charles Barkley would say. Anyway, so moving right along to the next mega box in the next video. Guys, give a thumbs up. Support the channel. Thank you for watching, and we will bring you more great videos. Have a great